Hello, my name is Raza Durrani and I'm a product manager for Eaton Corporation for DP Contactors. DP Contactors are a product designed for HVAC, refrigeration, and specialty control applications. And Eaton offers a comprehensive package for DP contactors, and we have two unique designs. The compact DP contactor, which is offered in single pole and two pole, and a regular DP contactor, which is offered in two pole and three pole configurations. What makes definite purpose contactors unique is the type of terminations and the specialty applications that they're rated for. Looking at the compact DP contactor, you can see it's offered in a single pole with shunt trip and two pole type designs. The terminations can be either the screw type or box lugs like they're shown here. You also have a completely encased design, which is unique to Eaton. Not many manufacturers in the industry offer a completely encased design. The coil is also completely covered, so it's impervious to moisture and foreign elements. Another thing that makes DP contactors unique is the ability to remove the cover and inspect the contacts. So it's really easy to take the cover off of the compact DP. Basically, you take a flathead screwdriver, pry it in between the cover and the side wall on all four sides. And you can take off the cover, and now your contractor can basically inspect the contacts on a performance maintenance contract, and you can simply slide the cover back in, and now your inspection is done. So that's one of the unique things of the compact DP contactor. Now moving over to the regular DP line, which is also known as the 50 millimeter, this product line is offered both as a two-pole and a three-pole offering. And Eaton actually offers product ranging from 15 amps to 360 amps. Again, similar to the compact DP contactor, it's a completely encased design where the coil as well as the contacts are completely covered. But you have the ability to take out and inspect the contacts. So I've backed out the screws so you can, on the top of the contactor, there are two screws that you can remove. And now you can go in and remove the top cover and inspect the contacts. This is very important for contractors who are doing performance maintenance on these type of contactors. Again, definite purpose contactors are designed for specialty applications like commercial HVAC, residential HVAC, refrigeration, pumps and compressors. And what makes Eaton's offering unique is Eaton also gives you the option of combining a contactor with an overload relay to create a starter, and we also package the design. So we can offer an enclosed DP contactor or an enclosed DP starter. So thank you for listening on this DP contactor presentation. Additional information regarding DP contactors and starters can be found on Eaton's website at www.eaton.com/DP contactors.